What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play What They'll Say About Us by Finneas on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords or the strumming pattern if you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you do, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is I uploaded the full play along for this song, which is a cover of me singing and strumming the entire song with the lyrics and chords on screen, so it's a super easy play along for you. So if you want to go check that video out after this video, links will be in the description, also in the top of the comments, so definitely go check that out if you want to. It's definitely a good time, and this song is freaking awesome and super emotional, so if you want to go cry, check the play along. So with that all being said and done, let's go check out the chords that we need for this song. So the chords that we need for this song are B flat, D minor, E flat, F, and last but not least, G minor. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming portion of this video. Again, skip to section will be your best friend. Just skip to whatever the timestamp says on the screen right now. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please tell me. I have no clue where to put my fingers for each chord. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where we're gonna put our fingers for each chord on the uke, and then we'll talk about the strumming. So if you wanna learn each individual chord and then strumming, then just keep on watching. But before we talk about chords, let's talk about how we quickly number the strings and the frets. And if you're like, Ricky, I didn't even know we number the strings and the frets, well then this section is definitely for you, so listen up. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, you probably guessed it, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's go ahead and quickly look at our fretboard, and as you can see, I'm gonna do the beauty guru, put your hand behind the product, which in this case is the uke, because it needs to focus. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and 5th fret. So as you can see on this uke, there are colorful markers on this. So pink one right here, that's gonna be the 5th fret. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation right here where you need to put your fingers on screen, because I feel like it's just easier when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we need is the B flat chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna go over the bottom 2 strings, which is the 2nd and 1st string on the 1st fret. And then you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord. Now how I play this one is I'm gonna take my pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then I take my middle finger and I go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E flat chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need is the G minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit extra more time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section in the video that you need a little bit more time on, and then once you feel comfortable and the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we play this song coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about the chords, now let's talk about how we actually play this song. So I'm going to teach you 3 different ways that you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who just doesn't want to strum or do anything, just wants to play the chords and just get through the song. So the first way is going to be with a down strum. So once you see a chord change, you're just going to strum down. And again, the entire chord sheet for this song will be in the description below, so you can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself, save it on your laptop, computer, cell phone, wherever you save things. That is my gift to you. It's going to be all full down below. It's the chords and lyrics, so as soon as you see a chord change, just strum down. So the second way that we can play this song is with a strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to play that strumming pattern once for every chord. So if we go to the B flat, to D minor, G minor, and F, it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So again, you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord, and again, the chord sheet, the full chord sheet will be in the description below. So again, just go check that out. So the third way that we can play this song is with the finger pluck, and actually how I played it in the full play along. Again, that will be linked below. It's just going to be the plucking of the 4th and 2nd string. So you're going to be alternating between the 4th string and 2nd string. So if you kind of do for all the chords B flat, D minor, G minor, and F, it's going to sound like this. So again, you're just going to be plucking the 4th and 2nd string, and you're going to be alternating. So we talked about the chords and the 3 different ways you can play this song with the down strum, the strumming pattern, and the finger pluck. So congratulations, you now know how to play What They'll Say About Us by Finneas on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And I want to give a huge shout out to you watching this right now. Thank you so much for watching this. I truly do appreciate it. And I love hanging out with you for these 10-15 minutes learning a new song. In this case, Finneas's new song, which is absolutely fire. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. What else? If you do want to get this uke, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beauty of a uke? I'll put like an up close right now. You see, absolutely amazing. It's different colored. The fretboard is super colorful, and it is by a company called, I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Balnna Ukulele. I'll make sure to link it in the description below if you want to become uke twins with me and get this uke. Again, link will be in the description below. Let's be uke twins, and let me know if you do. This is the concert size uke, and it's actually really affordable. I think it was in my Amazon under $75 review video, so definitely highly recommend getting this one. I think it's in the $60 range, 65, maybe 70, but again, highly worth it. I honestly did not have any expectation for this uke. I was just like, whatever, I'll get it. It's colorful, it'll stand out in videos, but very surprised, happily surprised, and I've actually kept it. So if you want to get this, again, link will be in the description below. Also, super exciting stuff. If you haven't noticed, I've been wearing this like in almost every other video, but we have merch. So if you do want to get this merch, link in the description below. Get your Uke fam merch. We have hats, we have hoodies, we have t-shirts, we have all the things. Get it in the description below. I'm so excited. And thank you so much to everybody that supported me and getting this merch. You guys are absolutely amazing. I really do. I love hanging out and making these videos for you. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just at Ricky Somborn. We reached over 56,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join if you haven't already. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any song recommendations, or just leave some comments in the comments below. I love reading them. I love responding, and yeah, Hope you have a great day, night, evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.